Okay, let's go.
Afternoon, this is your Moberly forecast real-time weather right where you are. I'm Tyler Price and thanks for watching. We have the potential for severe thunderstorms later this afternoon and into this evening. So let's jump right into today's forecast. Right now in Moberly, we're sitting about 81 degrees under partly sunny skies. Humidity is running around 72% with a dew point of 71 degrees. The combination is creating a very warm, humid, and increasingly unstable atmosphere right now. So conditions are quiet, but they won't stay that way all day. The Storm Prediction Center continues to highlight northern Missouri for the potential of severe thunderstorms later today. In fact, they've issued a mesoscale discussion indicating there's a 40% chance that a severe thunderstorm watch could be issued. And at the time of me coming up with this video, they actually did issue the severe thunderstorm warning for this afternoon and evening. The ingredients are coming together for scattered, strong, severe thunderstorms with damaging winds expected to be our biggest concern. Timing on everything now through 5 p.m. We're looking, most of us should remain dry through the rest of this afternoon, but sometime after 5, temperatures will continue to climb in the upper 80s with a high near 88 degrees by 5 o'clock. And so storm chances remain around 40% at that time. So with most development expected west of Moberly, between 5 and 7, this is when we'll need to start paying close attention. Storms develop to our west. They're expected to move into northern Missouri. Rain chances increase to around 70 to 80%. We're pretty confident on that. And some of these storms could become severe. Looking at 7 to 9 p.m., this looks to be the highest impact period. Storm chances increase to 80 to 90% at this point. And as scattered thunderstorms move through this area, this is when severe weather is most likely. The hazards for tonight, the primary threat today and tonight is damaging straight line winds. Some storms could produce wind gusts between 55 and 70 miles per hour, capable of knocking down trees and producing scattered power outages. Some large hail is also possible with hailstones ranging from 1 inch to 3/4 inch in diameter. We also see we'll be able to see a lot of lightning out of this and could be torrential rainfall and localized flooding in areas that do receive these repeated storms throughout tonight. Now the tornado threat, as of right now, it remains low for today, but it's not zero. The forecast models continue to show limited low-level wind shear, meaning the wind it's not really rotating that much, meaning widespread tornado development is not expected. However, one isolated storm could briefly rotate before storms merge together later this evening. So while damaging wind is our biggest concern today, everyone still should have multiple ways to receive weather warnings. So here's how I see today's forecast. Thunderstorm chances 90%, pretty high. The severe thunderstorms around 60%. Damaging winds and large hail is a pretty big high chance of between 45 to 70% for those things to happen. Flash flooding about 30% right now, and the tornado risk remains low generally, and the 5% are lower right now. Now, once storms move out, our weather begins settling down for the weekend. So let's take a look at what's ahead for this weekend's forecast. Tonight, storms gradually move east after about 10 p.m. A few showers of thunderstorms could linger overnight before ending toward Saturday morning. Overnight, temperatures fall to around 68, 67 degrees. So Saturday won't be a washout, but we still have another opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms and we expect a high near 83 for tomorrow. Rain chances are around 40%, with the best chance occurring between noon and 4 p.m. While an isolated stronger storm can't be ruled out, the overall severe weather threat appears much lower than today. Saturday night, any remaining showers will continue diminishing through the evening. Skies gradually become partly cloudy overnight. Temperatures fall to around 67 degrees, with only about a 20% chance for an isolated shower or two. Sunday morning looks much quieter. We'll wake up to partly sunny skies with temperatures starting in the mid to upper 60s. Humidity will also begin dropping, making it feel much more comfortable. In fact, Sunday is shaping up to be one of our nicest days of the weekend. So it's going to be pretty nice. Expect mostly sunny skies with afternoon highs reaching the mid 80s. If you have outdoor plans, Sunday looks like the day to enjoy them. But again, for our biggest concerns as of right now remains this evening between 5 and 10, with the highest severe weather potential between 7 and 9. And again, those, to recap, damaging winds remain the primary threat, followed by large hail, heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning. And I'll continue to monitor radar, forecast models, and any watches or warnings issued throughout the afternoon and evening. If conditions change, I'll be back with another update to keep you informed. Thank you for watching. And as always, God is good. I'm Tyler Price, and this has been your Moberly Weather Forecast, real-time weather right where you are.